Eyes are forward. Let's go. Ready? Forward math. Forward math. Forward math. Forward math. Forward math. All right. Ready? Counting and cardinality. Your turn. Ready? Counting and cardinality. Those are big words, aren't they? Ready? Number names.
Number names.
And sequence.
And sequence.
Identify.
Identify.
Oh, I have our numbers that we are working on right here. We're going to echo them. Say echo them.
Echo them.
Here we go. Eyes are up here so you can see them, please. No one should be talking. Crisscross applesauce. Put your toes on the line. Scoot forward because you're in your wall space. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Eyes over here, Callie. Ebenezer. Eyes over here. Ready? 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. Those were almost in order, weren't they? We should mix them up better, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
All right, let's mix them up.
Mix them all up. Mix them.
All right. Here we go. Are you ready? And this time, Carter, put your toes on the line. This time, we're going to read them together. Ready to read them with me? Here we go. Eyes over here, you all, so you can help the people who are around you. Brandon, eyes up here. Ebenezer. Ready? Let's go. 1. Oh, what is it? 4, 2, 3, 0, 5. Good, nice job. All right. Nope. Excuse me, Callie, do you need to clip down? Because we're not doing that. All right. I want you to raise your hand if you know what number this is. What is this number? Shelby, what is this number? 2. Nice job. Stand up if you agree that that is the number 2. Mauricio, you don't agree? Maxton, you don't agree?
You don't think that's number 2? What number
Is this the number 2, Maxton?
Yeah.
Stand up, please. You have 3 counts. 1, 2. Thank you. All right. What number is this, boys and girls? 2. We need to decide. Hands are down. We need to decide, does this set have 2 or does this set have 2?
Yeah.
Point your fingers up. Darwin, turn around. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Does that have 2? No. Say mer. All right, let's count this one. Hopefully it has 2, right? Right, Carter? Let's count it. Ready? 1, 2. Does that have 2?
Yeah.
I'm going to connect the dots.
Give a ding, ding.
All right. Yeah, give me a ding.
Ding, ding.
All right, jump 2 times.
1, 2.
Sit down. All right, here we go. Listen, Maxton. Number of objects. Your turn. Thank you. All right, how many?
How many?
Point your fingers up. Everybody's eyes are up here so we can count how many hearts I have. Nora, do you need to put down? No, thank you. Darwin, are you ready? Everybody's going to count. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4.
Callie, how many hearts do I have? 4. Do you guys agree with her? Who can help me write the number 4? Tell me how to write it. Mauricio, how do I write the number 4? Yeah, but how do you gotta tell me how?
Down
Short line down,
and right
short line over.
and up.
Oh, I don't go up. I go pick up my pencil.
Down.
Yep, and then I make a long line down. What number is that, boys and girls?
4.
4. Say 4. All right, compare numbers. You know what I forgot to do, boys and girls? I forgot to get Gus out. Oh, bummer. Say, oh, man.
Oh, man.
All right, we'll just have to deal without it. All right, boys and girls, I want to see your hands. We're going to make a big, tall opening with our hands. Big and tall, like a tall tree. Like a giant. Okay?
Like a big piece.
So we're going to talk about greater than. Say greater than. Greater than means more. Say more. Or bigger. Say, or bigger. See how my hands are big? We're making it big. All right, hands down. Wiggle them out a little bit. Less than. We'll do that in a minute. We'll do that later. Okay, here we go. Hands up. We're going to say it like this. Ready? Greater than, listen, nope, my turn first. Greater than is more or bigger. Now you're going to say it. Ready? Greater than is more or bigger. Can I teach you something? When we do this saying, this little poem, we're going to say it like a giant. Can you talk like a giant? No. Okay, are you ready? Hands up in the air like a giant. You got to talk like it. All right, here we go. Hands up. Greater than is more or bigger. Okay. So remember, greater than is like our giant. Okay? All right, now I want you to take a peek at this. Here are my two sets. I have some circles and I have a triangle here. So point your fingers up. Ebenezer, we're going to count the circles with me. You're going to count it and tell me how many there are, okay? Are we ready, boys and girls? Yeah. Let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ebenezer, how many circles do I have? 3. Nice job. Max, and go get the next. All right, I have 3 circles. All right. Go get. Oh, do it. Okay, prepared. All right, Miss Mia, how many triangles do I have? Yeah, 1. How many triangles do I have, boys and girls? 1 triangle. All right, so which one do I have more of? Think about that. Which one do I have more? It's bigger. If I think about that, do I have more circles or triangles? What do you think? Courage. Can you tell me which one do you think? Circles or triangles? Circles. Stand up if you agree. Oh, I totally agree with you, boys and girls. There are more circles than triangles. Nice job. All right, ready? Operations. And algebraic thinking. Ready? Understanding. Addition and subtraction. All right, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Remember for addition. Okay, boys and girls, sit down. Remember for addition, we have 2 sets. Are you ready? Put one hand in the air. You have 1 set, 2 sets. Second set. Waiting. You out. I'm waiting. It's okay. We won't even need to do that. All right, our 2 sets. Say addition. So we're going to take our 2 sets and we're going to put them together. Put together. We say it like this. Ready? 2 sets. Addition is putting together. Say that with me. 2 sets up. Ready? Ready? Addition is putting together. Good. All right. Look at this symbol right here. I want you to make it with your fingers. 1 line up. 1 line across. This is the plus sign. Say plus. It actually looks more like a T. If we make an X, that means times. We need it to look like a lowercase t. Say plus. Show me the plus sign. Show me the plus sign.
There you go.
Brandon, show me the plus sign. No, Callie, it's a T. Plus. It needs to be up and down and across. Plus. All right, hands down. All right. Remember, addition is putting together. All right, I want you to look up here. Oh man, I forgot to erase the answer there. That's not right. All right, here we go. I have some ducks. There were some ducks in the pond. Some turtles joined them. Now I need to know how many animals are in my pond. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Point your fingers up. Let's count. How many ducks do I have in the pond? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Courage. How many ducks do I have in my pond? 3. How many ducks do I have in my pond, boys and girls? How many? 3. Plus, I have how many turtles? 1. Carter, what do I need to do to know how many I have in all? What do I have to do? Put them together. Point your fingers up. Everybody's going to count all of those animals with me. Are we ready? Brandon, are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to ask you how many we have in all. You need to count it with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brandon, how many animals do I have in the pond?
3.
How many? 4. How many do I have, boys and girls? 4. So 3 plus 1 more equals?
4.
Excellent. Numbers in base 10. Ready? I'm going to say all of these words together. I want you to say it.
What's that thing behind you?
Foundations of place value. Ready? You say that. Foundations of place value. All right, we need to know how many counters are in my 10 frame. This is a 10 frame. Say 10 frame. Point your fingers up. Ebenezer, point your fingers up. Ready, Nora?
Yeah.
All right, let's count it. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have, Nora? 5.
4.
Let's count again. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nora, how many do I have?
4.
No, your name is not Nora. How many do I have? 4. How many do I have, boys and girls?
5.
Good. We're going to keep moving on. Measurement and data. Classifying and attributes. And attributes. That's a big word, isn't it?
No, it's
And attributes. Darwin, are we ready? What? Do you know what shape this is? Yeah, what is it? You're not Darwin. What is it, boys and girls? A square. Nice job, Darwin. So I have a square over here. I want to know which set do I need to put it in? Set number 1 or set number 2? Can you show me a 1? Show me a 1. Hi, show me a 1. Ebenezer, show me a 1. Ebenezer, stand up. My friend is falling asleep. Go on and walk back by Miss Bay. Come here. Eyes up here, ready? Show me a 1. We're going to put it right here. Eyes are over here. Eyes are over here. Brandon, eyes are over here. Courage, eyes are over here. Callie, enough. Show me a 1. Show me a 2. Show me a 5. Show me a 1. Charlize, I'm not going to do this. Show me a 2. All right, here we go. So we need to decide which shape is going to be, where's my square going to go? In set number 1 or set number 2? Are you ready? Brandon, are you ready? You're going to show me 1 or 2. Are you ready at the count of 3? Ready? Show me a 1 if it's going to go into set number 1, or a 2 if it's going to go in set number 2. Show me right here, please. All right, Camilla, what's that? 1. Thank you for doing that without me having to repeat myself 5 times. Which set, boys and girls? 1. Carter, why is it going to come in set number 1? Where are we going to put it in set number 1?
They're one square and those are square.
Yeah, because they're all squares, right? They're the same shapes. Perfect. Geometry. Geometry. Shapes. All right, identify. Oh, boys and girls, I found my shapes. All right, here we go. This is going along with the number that we've been working on in our books. We were working on these. So, who knows what shape this is? What shape is it? Carter?
Triangle.
A triangle. Say triangle. This is a triangle. Say triangle. We're going to count the sides of our triangle. Ready? Count it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many sides are on my triangle? 3. There are 3 sides on my triangle. Does anybody remember what the word vertices mean?
Yeah.
What did our vertice mean? What was it? Mauricio, what did vertice mean? What is a vertice? It is the corner. Say corners. All right, let's count the corners with me. Ready? 1, 2,